Good morning, I am Eva Marino and I'm a volunteer at the Public Relations Office. The Public Relations Office of the Agency for Health Services No. 3, Upper Friuli, Hilly, Middle Friuli, is located in Gemona del Friuli at No. 2 Piazzetta Portuzza, near the cathedral. At our office you can ask for information about the agency's healthcare services, ask for support for individual care pathways, put in problems, complaints, praises and suggestions. Our staff is available all working days from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. You can reach us by phone dialing 0432 989406 or by email writing to urp@aas3.sanita.fvg.it. We're waiting for you.